I am in front of 113 Swann Court in Jefferson, Georgia today. Are you looking for a move-in ready home? This adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is ready for the next owner. I'm Cindy Bunch with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm so excited to show you some move-in features just ready for the next buyer. First of all, check out this lovely front yard that is extremely spacious and scenic. Notice our central family room with new interior paint throughout. The walls are a light gray with white trim, so you don't even have to paint when you move in. You can just start decorating. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Huge breakfast area, dining area, kitchen, and the kitchen has white cabinets and countertops, ready for your favorite kitchen appliances to start cooking. Let me show you the huge laundry room. Nice and spacious for a hobby, plus getting that laundry done. Recent water heater as well. The master has some updated fixtures in it, and it has a walk-in closet for convenience. Look at this very spacious backyard. This home sits on about 1.5 acres of land, so you have lots of room in between your neighbors, lots of privacy. Oh, did I mention there's no HOA here? In addition, this home has a roof that's approximately 2 years old, so you have no worries there. Truthfully, this home is just ready for its next homeowner. This is Cindy Bunch with Keller Williams, and I'm in front of 113 Swann Court. If you want to set up a private showing in this great Jefferson home, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you.